Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the Eutherian or placental mammal. As you know that Eutherians, just like the marsupials, they give birth to the live young ones, and they feed them through their mammary glands through the milk. Now, in Eutherian, unlike the marsupials, the young ones are nurtured within the body of the mother uh, through an organ which is known as placenta. This placenta allows the nutrients to pass from the mother to the directly to the offspring through connection of their blood. Now, this placenta is very unique that it allows oxygen to reach the developing young one, and thereby it helps them make more energy as compared to the marsupial. Now, placental mammals, they are more diverse as compared to their sister clades, marsupials or prototherians. There are approximately 4,000 described species of eutherians exist on this planet Earth. Now, when we talk about the diversification of these placental mammals, their diversical forms include whales, elephants, shrews, armadillos, tiger, cat, and the modern day placental mammal. Now, there are some unique group which exist within these eutherians. For example, some group of these eutherians, such as rodents, being mice family, as well as carnivores, for example, dog and cat, etc. The young ones are born hairless and blind, and they must be nurtured by their mother for a specific time period before they even begin to live on their own independently. This degree of development at birth, it varies among different groups of eutheria. For example, young ungulates, which means those herbivores or the cattle, when we talk in simple words, these the babies of cattle may be able to walk within minutes after they are born. So there are diversification in at the time of even birth exist in different groups of eutherians. Now, other different groups of eutheria, they also differ greatly in their choice of foods. Some of the placental mammals, they are herbivorous, which means they exclusively feed on plants. And the examples are cattle, elephants, giraffe, etc. They may feed on grasses or low herbs or on the leaves of shrubs as well as trees. On the other hand, such as carnivorous or animals, they feed on other animals. They use them as their primary source of food, and there are some eutherian, for example, raccoon and bear. They are omnivores. Omnivores means that they eat both meat as well as plant material.